I study actors and performers outside of the DJ business. Probably one of the things that makes me different is the way I look at what we do. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and my sponsors include Disc Jockey News, Electro Voice, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, the Entertainment Experience Workshop. Be nice to those people if you wouldn't mind. So, yeah, I study actors. And the most successful performers, and I do think of us as performers, look at what we're doing in a different way as well. I saw an interview the other day with Robert De Niro, and the interviewer asked if you had some advice to give to actors, young actors, and only one piece of advice, what would it be? And he said, well, quit expecting that you're going to get the job. In other words, don't go into an interview or an audition expecting to get the job. Expect that you're not going to get the job. Because what it does is it frees you up to be able to be more who you are, to listen more to the client's needs and wants, that you're there to actually do the thing you know you can do for free, which is to help them. You know, and helping them doesn't necessarily mean getting hired to help them. Because people sit in their perceptions, and especially at a wedding, they sit in thinking that they have to look like they know what they're doing when we know that they don't. So to be able to help them with even just that, that's a pretty extraordinary thing to be able to do. And it's difficult to do that when all you're worried about is getting a gig. See, I believe that our job is not the gig. It isn't. That's the fun. That's the thing we get to do because we did our job well. Our job is the meeting, the marketing, the accounting, the sales, the perception of who we are online, the social media stuff, all the things we don't like to do. That's the job, whether you like it or not. If you got into it because you thought playing music was the job, then you probably aren't playing music very often, because that's not really the job. That's the reward. The job, the grind, is the things that you probably avoided by saying you wanted to be a DJ. I know this to be true because I was avoiding all that stuff when I started deciding I wanted to be a DJ. And the practice that I do every day, it's not stuff I want to do, but that's the job. The voice exercises is something I need to do every day because that's the job. The writing that I do for these weddings and these events, that's the job. That's the hard work. So if I do those things and I work at those and I grind every day, then I'm rewarded with the event. And then I get to do the event. But even that is after hours and hours of doing the work to prepare for the event. You know, the grind, the writing, the rehearsing, the collection of music. I don't like doing any of that stuff. I want to just show up and give me the microphone, give me the decks, and let me just rock this room. Yeah, you get to do that. But only if you do the work. And the work is not the DJ part. The DJ is the reward. That is, I think, a mindset that could make a really big difference in who you are, what you do, and, well, how successful you start to feel that you are. All right. You agree? Disagree? Put things down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Ring the bell and smash the subscribe and tell 50 other people. You know, that's stuff I'm supposed to say. Until next week, I'm Bill Herman, and this has been Creative License.